Tracto Bull Store is a manufacturing and distribution company for trailer truck components, spare parts, and accessories in Mexico and beyond. More than 30 years in the industry, meeting the needs of our customers and providing a service of excellence. We are constantly on the lookout to enhance our products and operating processes to offer our customers solutions for a successful operation. Our products are manufactured using state-of-the-art technology. We employ cutting-edge laser cutters and highly qualified personnel to produce high-quality and highly resistant components, spare parts, and accessories. Our history represents our commitment to maintain the highest ethical standards of our employees and associates. Tracto Bull is the most popular brand for truck trailer parts used by carriers. Tracto Bull means power.